guys, welcome or welcome back to Janvi Unfiltered. Welcome to yet another video. Before we get into the video, you might be wondering where are these beautiful flowers from? I've got them as a gift because we just hit 10,000 subscribers on the finance channel, and please make us reach at least 1,000 on this one ASAP. So please subscribe to the channel. That's number one. Number two, I really wanted to plug in this silver brand, which is Aina Jewelry. I want to just zoom into this and show you that this is the jewelry which I'm wearing, and I have been wearing them ever since. They do not, of course, they won't tarnish because they're real silver, and they look absolutely gorgeous. Just look at this piece. This is my daily wear ever since I have it, and this looks beautiful. I've gotten so many compliments, and you must definitely check them out. The page is going to be linked below. It's an Insta page. It's my brother's new business, so he's doing really good. So let's just help him get more and more reach. Now let's get into the video. Today we are going to discuss an expensive brand, which is 5,000 rupees for 6,000 rupees plus for 125 ml of Clinique moisturizer versus about 1,200 rupees for the same quantity of that. So 6,000 versus 1,200, literally 1/5 the price, and we're going to discuss which one wins. I have been dying to try onto Clinique since a really long time. It was on my this year's vision board, and I got it because I was like, I really need to. टीरा का सेल आया, मैंने खरीद लिया. पहले अपन Clinique की बात करते हैं, which is expensive as fuck, and I've been using it since almost 2 months now. मैंने Jan में ही खरीद लिया था. We are in March, so I'm using it since a really long time, and it works. It's not empty because ज़्यादा टाइम हुआ नहीं. Plus this is one is a big fat dabba of it, and along with being a big fat dabba, this is going to last me good 3 to 4 months. So I think this is really worth it. I use it twice a day, in the morning and in the night. This one is the 100-hour auto replenishing hydrator. It is extremely hydrating, extremely hydrating. This has no fragrance, no allergens, can be used as a mask, can be used as under or over makeup, and this is extremely suitable for sensitive skin. This is made in New York. This is not made in India or made in China or any other place. This is made in New York, and that is one reason why I prefer this, because this is extremely high quality product. Let me just show it to you. Dabba is of course premium, but not focusing on the dabba. Very important. This is slightly peachish pinkish color, and मैं ज़्यादा नहीं waste करने वाली हूँ. Already applied on my skin. I'm just going to show you how easily it melts onto my skin, and it looks so mattifying. I'm not sure if you can see any difference. It looks so mattifying. My skin looks mattified, and it just gives me like a good feel to my entire skin. That's one. Second, the ingredients are top notch. Ceramides, hydrating ingredients, no iching वाला ingredients, कोई भी मेरे skin को ख़राब नहीं करेगा. Not suitable for pregnant women, but otherwise extremely suitable for sensitive skin, and one must definitely use it if you can get your hands on it. And this is like a big 10 on 10 for me. Clinique is also super lightweight, तो लगता नहीं है स्किन के ऊपर कुछ लगाया है, बिकॉज बॉम्बे का जो वेदर है इट इज़ वेरी ह्यूमिड, तो पसीना बहुत होता है जब हम ट्रैवल करते हैं, ऑफिस में जाने के लिए आते हैं तभी, तो पसीना नेचुरली बहुत होता है शरीर को बिकॉज ऑफ द ह्यूमिडिटी. एंड उसकी वजह से अगर मैंने कुछ लगाया है एंड मैं घर के बाहर निकलूँ एंड मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो मुझे इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है, वो पसीने की वजह से बाहर निकल रहा है, तो इट एक्चुअली फील्स वेरी बैड. सो दिस इज़ वेरी लाइट वेट, ईजिली अब्जॉर्ब, एंड फटाफट अब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है, तो पता ही नहीं चलता है कि वो कुछ लगाया भी है स्किन पे, एंड इतना स्किन को मैटिफाई कर लेता है कि इसके ऊपर आप एक सिंपल सा सिर्फ फाउंडेशन लगा के निकल जाओ. आपको कुछ कंसीलर वंसीलर हैवी मेकअप करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एक टिंट या फाउंडेशन भी लगा दोगे, सो यू आर गुड टू गो. आप ऐसा लगेगा कि यू हैव डन अ लॉट टू योर फेस वेयर हैव यू हैव नॉट डन एनीथिंग. Plus suits my skin and also protects my skin from all the dust, makeup, and does not let it enter. Instantly it closes my barrier, and वो feel होता है जैसे ही लगा दिया, you can feel it that okay, now my barrier is shut down, it's protected, and now whatever I'm going to apply over it is just going to be a layer, and that's not going to cause my skin an impact because I am a very sensitive skin type. तो मुझे मेकअप से भी प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. मेरे को तो दाग है थोड़े जो आपको दिखेगा नहीं स्क्रीन पे, बट आई कैन जस्ट पुट अप अ पिक्चर ऑफ इट. तो अभी दाग वापस आ गया बिकॉज मैंने बहुत मेकअप किया था. सो आई एम दैट सेंसिटिव. So I really like it, and I think this is the best investment I've made in 2026. But a lot of people say that CeraVe is an ultimate dupe of Clinique, like an ultimate dupe. So let's discuss. So ये मैंने पूरा नहीं खरीदा because I know I don't have an intention to go ahead and use CeraVe for a longer time. But I wanted to try it for a month. So what did I do for a month? I used Clinique in the day, CeraVe in the night, just to understand if things are working or not, and then I just shifted with CeraVe in the day and Clinique in the night to try it at all times, at all weathers and everything. So basically this also has ceramides. This is a moisturizing cream. This is extremely moisturizing. It helps you protect your skin barrier, has the same properties as the Clinique one. It has hyaluronic acid as well. It is fragrance free, it is allergen free, it is very good for sensitive skin. It has very limited ingredients, so overall it is very good for your skin as Clinique is. So on the ingredient front they both match, but and this of course developed with dermats and everything, so dry to very dry skin ke liye hai. But okay, just wanted to show you that this is slightly thick, okay, and this is a white color cream. This is slightly thicker than Clinique, and the only problem that I have with CeraVe is that it's very heavy. I mean, it of course does moisturize my face very well. It takes time to get into my skin. It is very hydrating. I can call it an ultimate dupe of Clinique in terms of ingredients, the job that it does. Sensitivity analysis के हिसाब से skin के ऊपर proper है, but ये बहुत time लेता है skin के अंदर melt होने को, और time भी ज़्यादा लेता है. अभी तक नहीं हुआ है. Just so you know, I can feel it कि अभी तक नहीं हुआ है. And this is very heavy. I mean, I cannot feel that I have applied anything over here. It's so matte, and on this hand I can actually feel कि मैंने कुछ लगाया है. It feels that way. And this जो मैं ह्यूमिडिटी की बात करी थी कि पसीने की वजह से पूरा चिपचिप और गंदगी हो जाता है, वो CeraVe में होता है, जो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद है. ये सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा करता है. इन केस इफ़ यू डोंट वांट spend a lot of money but also use Clinique, you can buy this, use this for like 7-8 months only in the day, and then use this for the night, so you save your money as well because ये कम use होएगा and ये आप night में use कर सकते हो. This is good for the night, but I think so in case अगर आपको कोई clogged pores का issue है तो this is gonna give you clogged pores because this is heavy and ये seep in कर लेता है, मतलब वो अच्छे से पूरे skin में melt नहीं होता है. ये अभी तक मेरे skin में fully melt नहीं हुआ है, and it takes time, so it can clog your pores. I have not seen it till now, but that is one phenomena which you can witness. I haven't done it till now, but I think you can come across clogged pores. This is of course made in India only. This is manufactured by L'Oreal India, so this is made in India only, and I still feel the formulation of Clinique is very good. This can be an aspirational product, but जॉब दोनों सेम करता है. इन केस इफ़ यूर अ वेरी ड्राई स्किन देन यूजिंग CeraVe इज़ नो हार्म. इन केस इफ़ यूर अ सेंसिटिव स्किन यू मस्ट डेफिनेटली यूज CeraVe, बट आई थिंक इफ़ यू आर एन ऑयली स्किन टाइप यू शुड नॉट यूज CeraVe, यू मस्ट यूज़ Clinique बिकॉज ये क्लॉग पोर नहीं करेगा, ये बहुत जल्दी ऑब्जर्व हो जाता है, बहुत लाइट वेट हो जाता है, एंड आई एम श्योर ऑयली स्किन पीपल डोंट नीड एनी थिंग more heavy on their skin because they have a lot of sebum and oil production. So CeraVe will be a thumbs down for y'all, not because of the work that it does, but largely because of the heaviness of it in nature. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope this was helpful. I think Clinique is definitely an aspirational product for many people. मेरे खुद के लिए 5-6 साल तक aspiration था, and I used to just look onto it कि यार सब लोग Clinique use कर रहे हैं, मुझे भी करना है किसी दिन. Now I can do it. Keep your aspirations high, but of course your skin demands good products, so you must not settle for less. So you can try for CeraVe. This is also not very cheap. This is like 1300 rupees for 125ish ml. So it's expensive in itself. But if it works for you, try the smaller bottle. If it works for you, very good. But someday, always hope for a Clinique in your life because it's damn good. It's damn good. The hype is real. I get it why it's a luxury product. It's so damn good. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye. I love you guys. Mwah.